Is it true that what Mazen and the Carlo has been saying is actually true? I'm asking. I'm asking you. Is what Mazen and the Carlo has been saying, is it actually the truth? That our former president, Mr. Buhari, has died since 2017, has died for a very long time, and none of the government officials, none of the government agencies, none of those who has been occupying the helm of power during that time will summon the courage to tell its citizens that voted them in to represent them. Is what Martin and the Carlo say, is it true? But come to think of it, I just want you to just calm your spirit and let us reason together. I will not take much of your time, I promise. Is it not very much alarming that on all the charges, on all the pseudo charges, all the I'm not good with English, so just manage my English anyhow you understand it. Not English kakukumba, I beg. Upon all the charges level against Martin Carlo, is it not worth asking? Why is it that our federal government, why did they systematically remove that charge? Why is it that they systematically did not charge Martin Carlo? Why is it that they did not charge him? On the notion that he made a pronouncement that Buhari is dead for a very long time, probably 2017 or 2016, thereabout, if I'm not mistaken. That we have a double standard, and he has been saying it boldly, and he even went ahead to challenge anybody that will prove him otherwise. Why is it that this his current court case, after he has been kidnapped from Kenya, why is it that nobody, the government, is not charging him? They did not put it. They did not. If you have been following up, on the witnesses, on the videos they have been playing, on the accusers, they did not accuse him of making a pronouncement that our president, our former president, has died for a very long time. That we have a body standard, or someone we don't even know. That we have an invisible being ruling us. Yeah, and even conducted an election and won. And nobody is charging him. So what do you want us to think, we the average citizens? What do you want us to think? Now I'm asking you. I said, come, let us reason together. I want us to reason together. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? That someone, okay, just let's take for instance now, someone made a pronouncement and said it before your face that your wife is dead, or your brother, whom you know that he or she is healthy, and are you not going to do anything about it? And even when you apprehend the person on all the criminal charges, on all the terrorism charges which you fabricated against him, and you failed to accuse that man, say, now that I have apprehended you, now prove to us that my wife or my brother is dead when he's alive. Then I will present my brother. Why can't our president present himself? Why can't our former president, Mr. Buhari, why can't he present himself to cushion this fire, this blazing fire, because the youths are angry. Why is it that the system, why is it that our federal government systematically failed to accuse Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to charge Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, contrary to the fact that he made a pronouncement that our president, our former president, is dead? Now, all spirits, the body standard was ruling us, and we don't know. Until Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, until that charge is being pressed against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to prove to us that Buhari has died for a very long time. Until that charge, until the federal government charges Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on that account, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as far as I'm concerned, has no court case to answer anywhere within the jurisdictions of Nigeria, within the territory of Nigeria. I'm telling you, I got most school, but I know what is right. I know a lie when I see it. Until he is being charged for insisting that our president, Mr. Buhari, has died for a very long time. Until he's being charged on that account, he has no court case to answer anywhere. Why is it that nobody is even saying anything? Is it not even alarming? Even his lawyers. Why can't they remind the federal government that this is one of the things that this man said? Why can't they? Yes, if I do something, that's just me for you. If I do something, and I know that what I'm saying, that I said something and I know that what I'm saying is true, and you started fabricating unnecessary lies against me, I will remind you of the things that I said, which maybe, according to you, maybe you forgot them. Why can't the lawyers, those representing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, why can't they remind the federal government that all these heinous charges leveled against their clients, in the person of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that all these heinous charges, that this is one of the things he said. Why is it that they are not? Is it that they have forgotten? No, I just want the truth to prevail. Because going by what is happening is playing on. If it is actually true, I don't want to believe that it is true until it is being proven. But if it is mistakenly true, then I can tell you categorically that all the government officials, all the governors, the senators, the local government chairman, all the government apparatus that serve under Buhari during that time, all of them will put them inside Kirikiri prison. Because failure to do that, this country will never know peace. We'll lock all of them up because they don't deserve anything good. Because they are the problem of this nation, so to speak. If it is actually true that our president, the number one citizen of this country, died for a very long time and nobody summoned the courage to tell the citizens, then simply means we don't have leaders. Honestly, we have criminals in power. If that is the case, share this video. Buhari, we are calling on Buhari to make a live video for us. He should come. I will put Abuja Museum. I will be there. Let him come to Abuja Stadium. Let him address us. Let him come. Everyone will come to Abuja. I will be there. I will come presently. Even though I'm not there alive, I will be there alive. Let him come out in anywhere he wants in Abuja and do a live presentation. I will ask him questions. Let him answer us to prove that what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been saying that he is dead is a lie. Oh, I will touch him. We will touch him to ascertain what the accusation. The federal government must charge Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for saying that our former president, Mr. Buhari, has died for a very long time. They must, until they put that charge, Martin does not have any question to answer. I'm not saying it again. Share this video. Buhari should address us. Buhari, anybody alone and honorable in London, he should address us in a live broadcast. Let people go there. No, they're not there. Let them go there and touch him. Let me mask in him. He will touch his fingers. Enough of all this nonsense. No one hand a now. Is it not too much? Make sure you share this video so that it will get to where it is supposed to get.